Hello everybody and welcome to Showdown Publisher. In this video I am going to show you how to delete any non-removable product key. Okay, so how to do that means first I'll explain you what is a non-removable product key. For example, in my hard disk I go to Program Files 86 and Microsoft Office and Office 16. Okay, so I have completely removed Office 16 from my computer, and this is Office 365, but still it shows Office 2016, which I'm trying to fix. And there are some conflicts, as you know, between the product keys. So I'll start Word. Okay, now here I go to account and try changing my product key. Okay, so now this is a product key, which is which just shows everything, literally everything, or every product key on your local machine. For example, now this I can see two Microsoft Office Professional 2016. First let us check which one is working. Copy product key, and over here this product key is for the volume license version, which isn't currently installed. I told you I have removed Office 2016. So now let's try the second one. Copy product key and go. This product key is for the volume license version of Microsoft Office. So now, as you can see, I cannot change my product key, and I don't know my product key. They are not from these two. So how do I delete them? I have not even installed Office 16, so I can use that command prompt, everything and all, but I cannot do that. So how do I do that? I'll press start and type in regedit, enter. When it prompts you, just click on yes, and over here you have to navigate from here, HKey local machine, then software, and Microsoft and Microsoft Office, and Office. Over here, as you can see, Office. Then select your version. 12.0 is not seen right over here. If you want for 12.0, I'll show it right just after some minutes. Okay, so now I have 16. There are certain versions in this. For example, if you're using Microsoft Office 2007, you expand the 12.0 folder, and the 14.0 is Microsoft Office 2010, and 15.0 is Microsoft Office 2013. And as you know, I am selecting 16.0 because I'm using Microsoft Office 2016. So let's continue. Office 2016 product keys. So I want to delete them, so I'll go to 16.0 and registration, and from here I'll just click on one folder, the first folder, and I'll press the down arrow key until I see digital product ID or some DWORD 32 bits values. Just keep pressing the down key, and okay, I just saw something. Wait, okay, here is it. Here I can see many things. When you see many things, then just stop on there, like this also, like this folders. And now you have to delete the digital product ID binary thing. I'll right click and delete, then deleting, and just click on yes, because you want to delete the product key. And then in the same thing, just scroll down and till you see product ID. Okay, we're looking for product ID. Okay, here it is, delete. So yes, and the second one. Okay, so now let us check if you have two product keys. Now you can see only one Microsoft Office Professional 2016 is seen. Means I have deleted 2016 product key, one product key. So let us just delete this now. Digital product ID, right click and delete, and product ID, right click and delete. Yes. Okay, now you cannot see Microsoft Office 2000 Professional 2016 product key. The product keys were blurred because just for security reasons, and this is how to delete undetectable or uninstalled product keys from your right away from your computer. Also, now subscribe to Showdown Publisher. Also, like the video if you find it informational and it worked for you, then tell me in the comment section. Also, if you want to give me any ideas or suggestions, the comment section is always open. Also, subscribe to me and thanks for watching.